search overlap, go to overlap.com, register or login. I have already an account. Click on new project, example project, project name, your name, give date, any format you want. Delete everything inside begin document and end document except begin figure and end figure. Press Ctrl Enter. Write abstract like this. Make sections like intro or anything like theory. These are the sections or chapters. Ctrl Enter. Write your intro there. Write theory here. Write here your conclusion. Subsection, which is section inside section. Apparatus, then procedure. There are sections inside conclusion. No, experiment. Sorry. Okay, look at precautions. I made an error. I'm gonna right click and then I'm gonna write an equation here. Begin equation. It automatically gives me suggestion. Okay, I'm gonna write Schrodinger equations. Minus h square by 2m grad square power. Whenever you want to write power or superscript, then you will write by that. Vx phi equals E phi. Control Enter. Okay, yeah, looks good. I'm going to make a table here. No, first let me include a picture. So I just copy paste the figure which was there from the beginning. Give the caption here, not like Facebook. Upload. Let me upload anything. Okay, dark matter. I'm gonna include this figure inside that PDF. So what is the name? Dark matter something. So I'm gonna write it there. Dark matter. It is giving suggestion. Yeah. Okay, control enter. Let me see how it looks. Oh, it's not coming right. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it height and width equals to 0.5 backslash line width. Line width is the total width of the page. Okay, but it is not still coming inside that subsection procedure because there is not enough space. Let me fix the height. Still there. So let me fix the height. Height equals to 0.1 into line width. Okay, control enter. Let me see. Oh, that came. Here I am gonna put a table, begin, table, let me say you need 3 columns in the table. Need 3 columns. Right. C means column, and those vertical lines means vertical line inside your column. You can insert any vertical line there. Okay, let me insert vertical line both the sides. Let me insert many vertical lines. Okay. The first row will be the name of the columns, column 1, column 2 and column 3 and column 3. Okay, the double slash backslash means new line. Now after the new line I am going to insert a horizontal line. let me put any value. One assignment here, why I have given the $sign. Okay, the answer is very simple. Now look at that. The answer is it gives us permission to write equation inside text. Let me put many horizontal lines. Let me check, does it work or not. Oh, it worked. Yes. Caption it. There's an assignment. Okay, make a matrix in Latex. Your best friend is Google, so go how to write anything, search how to write integral in Latex. I am searching for that. How to write, let's say you want to color some text in your Latex, so search for that, and that is an assignment for you. Best way to learn Latex is by doing it yourself, so don't skip those assignments and give yourself assignments according to your need. So in int \int means that signs, it will give me that sign. Yes, that gave me the sign. So I need the limit here, and limit are just subscript and superscript. Okay, so I am going to give the lower limit, that is the subscript x initial, and final. I'm going to give a initial and final as a subscript of s. Let me see, control enter. Yes, that worked. Yes, you can see. Okay, that's I think all. You'll learn, I hope that was helpful. You will be learning throughout your life. That's the first Latex document you have wrote. You will learn by doing it yourself. So search in Google, let's say how to write alpha in Latex, or any Greek or Latin letter, how to write them in Latex. So that's all. Thank you guys.